Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in this particular platform. Now just go to a call and let me just call a person like this. And calling a person, it says it's calling. So if it says this is not available, that means that person is busy, and this is how you're gonna know if someone is busy on Snapchat call. So that's how you're gonna know, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll be seeing you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.